Hi, it's Natalia again. I wanted to introduce to you my little brother. He's so happy. Let's repeat what I was teaching you. How are you is jak się masz. If you want to say I'm good, you say dobrze. So how are you? Good. Jak się masz? Dobrze. If you want to say and you, then you say a ty. Ty means you in Polish. So, jak się masz? Dobrze. A ty? Dobrze. In sentence jak się masz, this is the sentence, which is how are you, there is letter L. L. I told you I'm going to speak a little bit more about L. This is how you write capital L, this is how you write small L. It's not that difficult, really. My mum prepared some words which have letter L in them, so you can learn also new words. This word is pronounced lauk, lauk. It means fear. The next word is mięso. Look, there's also L. Mięso means meat. Repeat with me. Mięso. Mięso. And the third word is zęby, which means teeth. So you have 3 different words what have L. Lęk, fear, mięso, meat, and zęby, I mean teeth. Teeth. Today I wanted to teach you 2 important words. This is plusher, and inside plusher there's L. So the word means please, please. If you see in Polish word, S and Z together, you pronounce it as sh. Another important word is thank you, which in Polish is dziękuję. So this E is pronounced G. And look, there's 2 L in this word. 1 and 2. Let's try to pronounce it a few times. Repeat after me. Dziękuję. 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 What's interesting, even though you can see L at the end, you don't really say dziękuję. You just say at the end of the word dziękuję. So you say dziękuję, not dziękuję. So you say dziękuję. Remember these 2 important words. Proszę, what means please, and dziękuję, what means thank you. And just one more thing about proszę. We use it when we say please, and also when you want to say, here you go, there you go. So, for example, in a shop, when you're given money, so you say proszę, and then you give the money. And this 2 important words you might use. 26th of May in Poland. Month May in Polish is Maj. And on 26th May in Poland there is Mother's Day. So you might want to give a present for your mum, and then you say proszę, and then your mum could say dziękuję. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.